that looks pretty sick, bro. I can't wait to hear that. Oh shit, you got your fender rotor?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I might have to borrow that.
Hey, if you need it, you need it. I got you.
I don't think I need to roll my fenders, but I'm just like, it wouldn't hurt because they're kind of rusted. It's like how they sit.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, we made our parts run, bro.
Where does this go?
That's where you can lift up the jack like that. You just take off the bolts and maybe you just clip it on. Oh, right. I mean, alright, look at that technology. And we got a cat.
Gato.
Un gato. Alright, let's jack this up.
This looks like it went to something.
I don't know if we made a more efficient machine or it's gonna break soon. You ever see those memes?
Yes.
I don't know if I made a more. I think you have to twist it, bro.
She don't twist, my guy.
So there's gotta be somewhere it goes up, and is there instructions to this?
Oh, there's a pin in here.
That. Maybe that might be doing it, my guy. That might be. We're struggling to overcome the jack. I think that pin.
Do not adjust. Okay.
All right, so how do we open this, bro? Alright, so after using the jack, we got it up. We got the O2 sensor using a hammer and a mallet. I don't recommend.
2 types of hammers.
2 types of hammers. Brute force and Hispanic know-how.
Yes, sir.
We got it out. Now we just gotta get the rear mount bushings out.
Should I take them off the car or off the exhaust?
Oh wait, you already got this side out, I think.
Yeah, should I get it off the car or off the exhaust, do you think?
Just you can do one whole piece, bro.
Do you want me to take the bushing
Oh wait a
off the car
second.
or off the
Okay,
exhaust?
dude, I think we're gonna have to take it apart.
Why?
You see that little cross thing right there above you?
I think I could get it out.
You think so?
Probably not, but we're gonna try it, okay?
Alright, bro. Alright, if you say so, man. There's a cat over there. There's Mr. Gatito aquí. Or Miss Gatito, I don't know.
Alright, yeah, I'm taking it apart.
Hey, bro. Ooh, dang, look at that Subaru over there. That's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice Subaru.
That's a pretty nice Subaru.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I didn't think I was gonna spend my Thursday wedged up under a Miata.
Neither did I.
I thought I was gonna do this Tuesday. Look at this guy. He's like full blown laying down across.
Yeah,
I mean,
my neck is getting very tired.
That's how you do it, bro. That's how you work on your car right there. Oh my! So, Logan, tell me about your new exhaust.
It's awesome.
You can see that by me, like,
Alright, so
name brand, spec wise stuff.
it is a Roadster Sport 4.
Yeah.
It's got a cat. Or, sorry, a cat.
Cat. Resonator.
Yeah, no. It's not a resonator, it's a fucking... It's a cat to a muffler.
Oh, high flow cat?
Yeah.
We got a high flow cat. We got the muffler. You can actually adjust your back. Okay, there's a cop. Alright, there's a cop. I see you, officer.
See, this is what bothers me. It already has scuff marks that are not coming out.
Maybe it was. Did you buy it used?
No.
Huh? Yeah, maybe it was just one chilling in that they had left over or something.
Yeah.
What's really cool though, he can change his baffles here, I think, right? Is that
I
way?
think I put my baffles in here.
Oh, here? I don't know, because you have like that nut underneath that.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's where you could change it? I don't know, bro. I don't know about Miata.
I mean, this whole...
I don't know about
it's
Miatas,
weird
bro.
because it's welded in.
What is this thing then? Never mind.
I think it's to hold this on, but
Never mind.
it so.
Alright, wait, how many inches is this thing actually? It's like,
I think it's
2 something.
2.5. It's the same as the ISR. The ISR just had a 3-inch.
Oh yeah, he originally had an ISR, which sounded nice at low end, but it's terrible at top end.
Oh.
Oh, yo, I love these things though. Why did my voice become like that?
Because you saw me whack it.
Oh.
Where's the other part of the...
Oh, wait,
here.
We might want to take that out.
Take what out?
Oh
yeah, I just put that in there for safety.
There you go. Alright, Brad.
Oh, why am I...
Stop hitting your exhaust!
Hey, it didn't even leave a scuff. It dented this before it dented this. That looks considerably smaller.
Yeah? It might be. Maybe that was 3-inch.
I think it was... I don't know. It might
Maybe
be.
that was 2.5 and this is 2-inch maybe?
It might be.
Who knows, bro?
Oh! Oh!
Alright, let's get this thing installed. Alright, let's get this boy installed. So we can take this car for a rip. There's just a cop chilling over there.
We have a lot of cops chilling around.
He's just watching your brother's truck. Oh, the rain is cold. Ooh, that guy went down my back.
Okay, you hold this real quick.
You're just trying to hit things with your exhaust.
No, I'm trying to put this up. Keep it nice. Because this is going to last, ain't it?
Yeah. Alright, let's get this bad boy on.
1 hour later.
Ooh. Look at that exhaust right there. Now that's a nice exhaust. That's a nice exhaust.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't even think the camera's picking this up, but... Ooh. You good? You good? Oh, you beautiful. What? Beautiful. Oh, look red. It's red.
Alright, get in, my guy.
Ooh. Oh, I haven't been in this car since... Oh, what the fuck?
Oh. Roll down your window.
Ooh.
Shit.
Not too bad, bro.
It doesn't drone! It doesn't drone!
Ooh, getting feisty there, bro.
That was only $4,000. Oh my god, that sounds so much cleaner.
It sounds so good, bro. It's not bad, bro. Oh. Oh yeah, let's make sure. I like that sound. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, my battery died. Oh, damn.
Hell yeah.
Bro.
Already up to 10.
Oh, Mustang. Is this an Evo?
Yes.
Yo.
Car people. I want to stop someday and talk to them.
Oh my god, I'm so excited! Warp speed, bro. Is this just a loop?
It's a big loop. I'm about to take it.
Oh yes, dude. Oh.
Usually my car would be like, oh, right now.
Struggling with the seatbelt.
Oh yeah, that seatbelt sucks ass. I want to take the roll bar out and put a new one in, but I have to get a new one.
Oh, this is enough.
You can push that window down there, so if you want.
Alright, it's all the way down.
Just keep push it.
It's all the way down, bro.
Oh, okay. It looked like it wasn't.
No, like literally, it's all the way down.
Yeah, I got you.
Your neighbors must love you.
Look, it's for the science.
Yeah. Man, I didn't know how big your neighborhood was.
Yeah, it's huge.
so good.
I don't even care if it sounds good. It's not droning. My ears aren't gonna be bleeding after every fucking drive.
So Logan, would you say this installation is a success?
I would say so.
Oh yeah! Yeah! Roadster! Yeah! Oh my god! Nice.
Sorry, that was a bad shift.
I think that's this is a success.
It is a success.
Ooh, and there's a bug eye. Ooh. That's a nice bug eye right there.
Yeah, sure.
Ooh.
That is a really nice bug.
We're gonna call it out here, bro. Hope y'all enjoyed this.